Hola. Bienvenidos a la clase de hoy.
Hello. Welcome to today's class. I'm Valentina, your AI-generated Spanish instructor. I'm here to help you learn to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that will add a touch of authenticity to your Spanish conversations: filler words. These seemingly insignificant words play a crucial role in making your speech sound more natural and fluent. But before we get started, I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native speaker, in the description of this video you'll find the link to get free access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. Let's begin by understanding what filler words are. Filler words are those small words or phrases that we use to fill the gaps in our speech while we think or organize our thoughts. They are like the seasoning that adds flavor to your Spanish conversations. One common filler word you might have already heard is
Bueno.
which means well or so. For example, when starting a conversation, you might say
Bueno, ¿qué tal?
which translates to, well, how are you? This filler word serves as an icebreaker and allows you to smoothly transition into the conversation. Another commonly used filler word is
Pues.
It can be translated as well or so, and is often used to indicate hesitation or to mark a transition between ideas. For example, you might say
Pues, no estoy seguro.
which means, well, I'm not sure. This word helps you to buy some time to think or gather your thoughts before responding. Sometimes, when we want to emphasize a point or express surprise, we use the filler word
Oye.
which means, hey, or listen. For example,
Oye, no lo puedo creer.
translates to, hey, I can't believe it. This word adds enthusiasm and emotion to your speech. Before moving on, make sure you click that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner, and then click the notifications bell. Moving on, we have the filler word
Entonces.
which means then or so. It is used to link ideas and create a smooth flow in your speech. For example, you might say
Entonces, decidimos ir al cine.
which translates to, so, we decided to go to the movies. This word helps you connect your thoughts and maintain coherence in your conversation. Lastly, we have the filler word
Mira.
which means look or listen. It is commonly used to grab someone's attention or to introduce a new topic. For example, you might say
Mira, tengo una idea.
which translates to, look, I have an idea. This word helps you engage your listener and create a sense of anticipation. Before you go, I want to remind you that I have a very special offer for you. If you are sick and tired of using apps that make you sound like a gringo whenever you speak Spanish, and you want to speak and understand Spanish just like a native Spanish speaker, in the description of this video you will find the link to get access to learning Spanish like crazy, the original version. And you can get this app absolutely free with a trial subscription to Audible. So click the link in the description and get your free copy of Learning Spanish like Crazy, the original version.
Muy buena suerte. Y recuerda, la práctica hace al maestro. Hasta la próxima.